In this video, I'm going to show you how to add authorized user on AT&T app. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open my AT&T app and sign in with your primary account. Once you do so, you can click on your account or profile, three lines at the top right, click on profile, then click on account users and click on manage sub accounts. Or you can also click on secondary access if you want to add the secondary access user. So just go and add the user that you want and you should be good to go. This is if you are on phone. If you want online, you'll need to go, as example, to your account profile, sign in if asked if you haven't signed in yet online. You can select permissions and choose the account that you want to update by selecting switch if you have more than one. Then select add the secondary user to add the user or remove next to the user that you want to remove, and you'll be able then to follow the prompts to finish up, and it should be easy. So to add one, you'll have to enter the requested information and follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the request. An authorized user, of course, can basically perform tasks such as upgrading devices, changing plans, and making payments. So once the information is confirmed, the authorized user will be added to your account. And for wireless accounts, you can have up to 10 retail authorized users. So yeah, that's how you basically do it online and on the phone. You can also accept an invitation for secondary online access. If you want to, you can review the text or email you receive about an invitation, and you can select the link in the text or email if you trust the offer, and you can then enter your AT&T wireless phone number for wireless account or the AT&T account number and billing zip code for wireless or internet connection, and then you can choose to create an AT&T ID or use your current one. Then you can enter the requested info. If you create an ID and password, just agree to the AT&T ID terms and conditions, and you should be good to go. That's if you want to accept an invitation if the other user requested that. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.